Hi everybody, my name is Darby Butts and this is my biography presentation on Darlene Crone-Todd. Darlene Crone-Todd has a doctorate in psychology and currently works as a professor and leads the Behavior Analysis graduate program at Salem University. She has been able to present at over 50 symposiums and publish peer-reviewed journals that have been read nationwide. Crone-Todd prefers to study human choice, high learning, and computer-mediated thinking and learning. She uses humans as her test subjects, oftentimes in natural settings. Now let's talk about her articles. Here's a quick list of the 5 articles I reviewed. In her study, Compose-based typing and keypad skills training outcomes of unemployed injection drug users in a therapeutic workshop, Crone-Todd uses HIV-positive individuals who are currently in a therapeutic workshop as her test subjects. By learning to type and coming to work, individuals receive pay raises. The study proved that the incentive of earning more money by typing accurately encouraged individuals to stay clean and hold jobs longer and do better at their jobs. In her study, Assessment of Adult Learners, Crone-Todd had 2 raters answer questions that were directly from Martin and Pear. They were based off of Bloom's taxonomy. When the questions were scored, one individual was considered a novice, whereas the other, when scored using MHC, scored an individual as skilled. It showed that when one question was considered comprehension to Bloom, it was considered abstract to the MHC order. Behavior analysts learned that they may need to break down things into processes that could be completed. The article Application of Bloom's Taxonomy and Topsy discussed how the CAPSI testing was created based on Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy consists of knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. And here is a chart that explains Bloom's taxonomy. In this study, there were 14 students who were asked to take tests using CAPSI program. These tests consisted of questions approved by Bloom's taxonomy that would cover the class material and so forth. Students could choose to retake a test before submitting it, receiving a whole new test, or they could submit. Mastery, which is 100%, was necessary before moving on. In the 11th week, the test being taken started to dwindle, so Crone-Todd offered a conditional pass. This conditional pass allowed students who were close to mastery appeal their answers and try again. Students began to take tests more frequently after the conditional pass was entered. Personalized system of cyberspace, students were able to earn points towards their final grade by taking these computerized tests. Students were able to take a restudy, which was time to restudy the material and then open up a new test. The time between the restudy and the new test had to be 1 hour. The tests were graded by proctors, which were fellow students who have already mastered the topic being tested on. And here is my mock interview. If I could ask Crone-Todd anything, I would ask her, where does your interest in Bloom's taxonomy originate? If you could have a cup of coffee with Benjamin Bloom, what would you ask him? You have a distinct passion for using behaviorism and technology to help others learn. What was the very first time you used technology to teach someone? How successful was it? If you could use the CAPSI to teach yourself anything, what would it be? You are the lead researcher when it comes to the CAPSI. What is your biggest success story when it comes to the CAPSI and its teaching methods? The importance of her studies. Crone-Todd helped develop a behaviorally based program that successfully helps drug users stay clean and stay employed. It's a new treatment that is now being used by other researchers to help with drug abuse. She developed a more efficient way of helping individuals learn to type more efficiently. More importantly, important because it has provided a faster way to train individuals for a vocational control. And she helped develop and refine the CAPC testing, which has provided a behavioral analytic way of testing students and their knowledge. And here are my references. Thanks for watching.